In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade on Axiom. If you haven't created your Axiom account or funded your wallet yet, be sure to watch our previous tutorials on creating an account and depositing funds first. Once your wallet has SOL available, you're ready to start trading. So once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll find the token discovery tools. You can also go to the polls, perpetuals, or your own portfolio. Now, let's discover some newly trending meme coins. For example, we are going to choose change. I want you to click on it, and what will happen is you will be forwarded to the trading page. Here you will see the price chart, buy and sell activity, liquidity, holders, market statistics. I need you to spend a few moments reviewing these details before placing a trade. On the right hand side is the trading panel. First, make sure you are on the buy tab and enter the amount of SOL you'd like to spend. Axiom will automatically estimate the number of tokens you'll receive, current market price, estimated fees, price impact, and if available depending on your account type, you will see advanced options such as slippage tolerance, priority fee, transaction speed. Now, these settings help improve execution, especially during volatile launches. Axiom also offers fast execution designed to reduce delays and help protect against certain MEV-related issues. After reviewing everything carefully, I want you to click the Buy button. Your connected wallet will ask you to approve the transaction and click the Confirm. Within a few seconds, your trade will be processed on the Solana blockchain, and you'll be able to view the current profit loss, current token, and wallet balance. So I need you to keep an eye on any market movements before deciding when to sell. Remember that cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile, so prices may change rapidly. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to trade on Axiom. As you become more comfortable with the platform, you can explore advanced features like limit orders, wallet tracking, migration sniping, and perpetual trading to further improve your trading workflow. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.